Hey there, welcome to my channel Craftility. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful quilling greeting card. If you are new here, then subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. So let's get started. First, I'm using yellow and blue quilling strip of 17 inches and using a crimper to crimp the quilling strips. Now join the blue strip with yellow, and with the use of quilling tool I am creating a coil. So first coil is ready. Similarly create 4 more such coils. Now take 2 blue strips and 2 yellow strips and glue both the blue strips together. Now crimp the blue strips. Now apply the glue and stick yellow strips with blue strip. Now again we'll create a coil using quilling tool. So we have created 2 coils, smaller and bigger. Similarly, create 4 more such big coils. Now take yellow strip of 10 mm which is 14 inches long and then fold it. I am using bulldog clip to hold this strip and using sharp edge scissors to cut this strip. Here I am creating a pom-pom flower or fringed flower. You can also check out 10 different types of fringed flowers by clicking the top right link. Now take quilling tool and roll this strip. Secure the edge by applying glue. Take it out and open the flower. Now take the coil and pinch it from one side to create a teardrop shape. Now take a piece of paper and then cut it in a circle. Thus we have created a dome. Similarly, we will also create smaller teardrop shape. First we will glue all the petals together to form a flower. Now hold all the petals together for a few seconds and keep it aside and let it dry. Now stick smaller teardrop shapes to form smaller flowers. Now take the dome and apply glue on it. Pick up the flower very carefully and place it on the dome. Apply glue and place another smaller flower on it. Keep the flower on your palm and press from center, and also stick that fringed flower in the middle of the flower. Thus we have created the flower. Now take dark green and light green quilling strip, each of 8 inches, and these strips are of 5 mm. Glue both the strips together and create a loose coil. Leave little strip as shown and then pinch it from one side to create a teardrop shape. Similarly, I have created more such leaves, but sizes are different. 16th circle, 15th circle, 14th circle, 13th circle and 11th circle. Now take 8 inches of light green quilling strip and fold it and apply glue. Leave the edge as shown, and I am just cutting it from the top to create a tapering shape. Now we'll glue all the leaves together. The smallest leaf will come on the top of the quilling strip and will stick from smaller to larger. Thus we have created the set of leaves. Create one more such leaves. Now take 8 inches of 3 mm yellow strip and we'll create a loose coil. Pinch it from one side to create a teardrop shape. Now take green quilling strip of 3 mm, it is 17 inches long, and will create a tight coil. I am using the handle of quilling tool to create the dome. You can also use backside of pencil or a pen. Apply glue inside the dome and then stick the teardrop shape inside it. Now take a green quilling strip of 17 inches and we'll create a twisted eye shape. Pinch it from both the side and then twist it. Create more such shapes. Now take pink quilling strip of 8 inches and create a tight coil and pinch it from one side. Thus we have created tight teardrop shape. Create more such shapes and glue all the shapes together to form a small flower. Now take tiny tight coil of yellow color and stick it in the center of this pink flower. Now take 4 inches of yellow strip and create a tiny tight coil. Create many more such tight coils. This is the same tight coil which I have created for the center of pink flower. Take 2 green and 2 yellow 5 mm quilling strip. Each strip is of 7 inches and glue them together alternately. Now take toothpick and roll it. We are creating the scroll for the card. After creating it, pull one by one all the strips to create the level of the scroll. Now stick all the edges and then bend it little. Create one more scroll. I am using a card which measures 21 centimeters by 16 centimeters, and now I am sticking the other color patch on it. Take 4 inches of green quilling strip and fold it from the center and apply the glue. Leave the edges unglued and open the edges. Now we'll stick the dome inside those green strips, and then we'll arrange these birds. First, take the card and arrange all the flower, leaves and scroll on it. Roll the other side of the scroll if needed. Once you have the idea and arrangement ready, then start sticking all the leaves and flowers on the card. Here I am creating a small blue flower. For this I am using a blue strip of 6 inches and a yellow strip of 6 inches. As we have done earlier, we'll crimp the blue strip and glue it with yellow, and then we'll roll it and create a teardrop shape. The arrangement of leaves and flowers can be changed depending upon your choice. So we have completed our quilling card. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. See you in my other videos. Till then, happy quilling!